Creating custom apparel for fundraisers, events, groups, and communities is a great idea. But we've noticed a common concern. 1. You risk thousands of dollars to get them printed. 2. Guess the number of shirts and sizes you need. 3. Distributing them and collecting cash is a pain. We are here to help you. Introducing T4Good. T4Good provides a one-stop service which allows you to turn your t-shirt concept into reality at no risk and no cost. Once you make your design, your buyers will fund the creation of your shirts. This means you get the right number of shirts and the right sizes. You can easily share your campaign on Facebook, Twitter, email, and anywhere else online. The shirts are then shipped directly to the buyers, and we send 100% of the profits directly to you. With T4Good, creating and selling t-shirts is easy. Just design your product, set the price, and choose the time period in which you'd like to sell. T4Good promises you 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Create your own custom apparel at vectoring.com.hk today.